since then.
That's really hurt.
We're back. Oh, there was something to do that. You all started screaming. I was like, ah! I've seen it though. Beth heard it was like that on her knee, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was huge.
Oh, it was like a tarantula on your leg. I don't want to stand by her. Lid, they're selling pork scratchings. Lid, they're selling pork scratchings. It's gone. Oh, that's disgusting. If only I got that on camera, didn't I? No, I didn't, did I? That would have been so good on camera. last one at the end. Hello! I'm not wasting my memory for nothing.
Over there, just about going.
Wow. Was that the end of it? Oh. You know, it'd be good if they had like a firework at the end that spelled out the end. I'd love that. And at the start, like, welcome to Himley bonfire. Bloody gloves. I want my battered sausage. Shall I ring my mum and say while you're watching the fireworks? He's a green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, oh my god, I love your hat. That is amazing, I love it. Get off my hair, you fool. Finished.
Oh my god, yes, because that big casting wheel's going to go off, hopefully, if it is one.
I want a battered sausage. I've been craving one for ages.
Oh, I need to.
Oh my god, I'm going to buy some ice cream.
I'm really hungry.
A battered sausage and ice cream.
I'm actually starving.
I'm not hungry.